How to write a message to someone on Twitter, or how to send message on Twitter. There's many people ask me to do this video because they don't know how to send message on Twitter. So in this video I will tell them how that it work on Twitter. So let's start. First you need to open your Twitter, then it will open directly on your homepage right here. So we will just come to this icon right now, click write a message. Here you will search for the person that you want to send a message to him, for example, and rotate and click next. And you want to write, for example, this person I can't write to him. For example, I will choose someone who I don't know, who I don't know. For example, this maybe I can send him a message. Yeah, he also I can send, but some people you can send to them, for example your friends, or I don't know. So that's it guys in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.